Alright, so let's make some shrimp and grits. So I got a little grits already in my pot by accident. So I was measuring over the pot. But what I like to do is have 4 cups of chicken broth and some minced garlic in here. And that goes a cup of grits. Put this on low and slow, low and slow, and I'm gonna put 1 more cup, half a cup. Okay. Let this cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, maybe 8 minutes, and then I'm gonna put some heavy cream and Parmesan cheese.
Alright, y'all, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm about to go ahead and pour my heavy cream in there. I put about 1.5 cups, and then I stirred it some more, and then I put the lid right back on, and I'm going to let that finish cooking. I'll be back.
Alright, so be careful. Check on the grits. Ooh, they looking good. I bet they taste good. You've got to take care of yourself. They looking real good, baby. Alright, I don't got no whisk, y'all. So I'm gonna turn this off because they good. They good. I'm gonna add a little cheese in here. You know I gotta hit it with the parm, baby. You know I got to hit it with the parm. With the parm. You know I got to hit it with the parm. Oh yeah, baby. Let's taste it. Let's see what it's hitting for. Ooh. Let me taste it. That's hot. Hot, titty, hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. There's so much flavor up in there. Can we talk about that? Oh my God. Can we talk about that? There's so much flavor in here, don't make no sense. Oh my God.
Alright, so let's season this shrimp up. Some olive oil, some minced garlic. You don't have to use this minced garlic. I'm sick of y'all talking about stuff and just judging people for doing stuff. If you don't have this and you like fresh garlic, use that. Alright, then I put blackened season, some dill weed, and I put a little onion powder on there. You don't have to do that. That's up to you, but I'm telling you, it's good. Alright, so go ahead and heat up a tablespoon of oil. Go ahead and drop the shrimp down. You just go and saute them up until they're done. Do not clean your skillet out because you want all the flavors in the bottom. And we'll be back.
I'm gonna take some red peppers. What's the red peppers? I want a couple of these.
Alright, so let's make the sauce. You're gonna put some butter You're going to put your onions in there. You're going to season your onions with salt and pepper. You're going to let that cook so you can get a little color on them onions. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and put the roasted red bell peppers in there that we cut up. And then you'll put your garlic in. You'll put a little dill. Put a little bit more butter in there, y'all. And I also put a splash of lemon juice. I'm going to say about half a lemon. I cut and squeezed the juice into a little cup. I poured that in there alongside about 1.5 cups of heavy cream. I brought that to a boil, and then after it boiled for about a second or 5 seconds, I put some bacon seasoning in it. I turned the heat off and threw in some grated Parmesan cheese. This was busting, y'all. This sauce, But stay tuned. I will be back. We about to plate this up.
Yo, babe, where you pussy? Little bitch come dance battle with my Drake. You been fucked your bag up when you punch Rhea in the face. Tell my fashion week, you sparing who come punch me in my face? It ain't nothing but a